everybody, Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Today we've got the all-new 2026 Jayco North Point 365 RKTS. It's going to be a rear kitchen triple slide coach. There we go. I'll zoom out so you can see it a little bit better. Beautiful luxury level fifth wheel. You got this nice front cap to it, your MoRide rubberized pin box, and all that storage right up front. Then you got storage right over here as well. There's plenty of storage right down in there. Then you got 120 pounds of propane on this coach, so 40-pound bottle here, 2 on the other sides as well. Let's hop inside, take a look at this thing. So coming right up the steps, very similar to the Jayco Pinnacle 38 FBRK. Got this huge L-shaped sofa right here, 2 recliners, and hidden bed right there. And you get this ottoman with it as well. There's also a storage ottoman. So that opens up, and you do get some storage down below. Opens up just right like that. Over here, you do have your electric fireplace, unfinished edge here for your little shelf, sound bar, then a huge smart TV. Looking over this side here, you've got your table and chairs. Then this does pull out. As you can see, that pulls all the way out. Plenty of space for 2 more chairs right there. Then you do have your little buffet top right here. There is some storage right down in here. And then pop-up charging station. Lots of windows in here. Got all these nice light fixtures as well, all LED lighting. Looking up towards the top, you got your big ceiling fan there, very modern looking. And you've got ACs ducted throughout, 2 ACs on it. Then you do have 2 vent fans over in your living space and then your kitchen. Coming down this way, huge pantry right here. Then you do have drawers right below as well. So storage drawers there, soft close to them. Residential GE style refrigerator. The water and ice right on the door. So I'll give you a look inside. So this is a brand new 2026 unit. And then that's not it for pantry space. You got this huge slide out pantry too. So all that space right in there. There is even another cubby right up top, but pretty tough to reach, not gonna lie. Over here, you've got your GE oven, GE microwave. There's an actual good size oven too. You can actually cook something in there. Not like those other tiny RV ovens. Spot for your silverware there. And then more storage below it. Pull out for more storage. And these do move out of the way. Lots of cabinetry up top. Like I said, this is just like the Pinnacle 38 FBRK. Pretty much same floor plan, just in the North Point lineup. Storage. You got storage right here too. Big one-piece style sink to it with the cup wash and the vegetable wash. There's a cutting board that drops into here too. And you got all this storage below. Then this opens up. You got your Lazy Susan right down here. Very cool. Plenty of space for everything you need on the go for RVing. Cutting board right here. You can see it's got the little slit in it. So that'll drop right into your trash cans below. And then more storage. Plenty of storage in this kitchen. Solid surface countertops as well. More pop-up chargers right over here. And this is kind of your view from looking at the kitchen. So you got an easy sight right to your TV if you are watching TV while doing some cooking. You also have this nice desk space here for those of you that are working on the road. So you got a little storage spot there, another storage spot here too, and that all flips up. Looks like you got day and night roller shades. Now let's go towards the front of this thing. Before we go up the stairs, I'll show you right here. You've got your BM Pro tablet, so kind of the brains to your camper. This will control your HVAC, your lights, your slides, your leveling. This is for your max air fan right above there. And then you got your remote control for your ceiling fan. Another high storage right there. And then down below, you've got your kind of storage closet right here, coat closet as well. You've got 400 watts of solar on this unit. And then down below is your converter box, so your fuses and breakers. And then right here is going to be your central vac system. So you got the spot for the hose there, and then your sweeper there. And little storage space under your stairs there, good for your shoes. Coming right up into the bathroom, you're going to have your medicine cabinet. So that does open up. Good size bathroom, and it is a little bit smaller for this coach, but not bad. Storage right there. You got your storage drawers below. In your bathroom, you got your 2 sprayers, your handheld sprayer, and then your main shower head, as well as skylight in here. And then you got your little teak seat down there. And then over here, linen closet. And then porcelain foot flush toilet. So that's your bathroom. That's going to be your main difference between the North Point and the Pinnacle as far as floor plan goes. Normally the Pinnacle's got the big bathroom up at the front of the cab. This one, you're going to have your washer dryer prep right in here. Those are 2 more chairs for your table and chair set, and then storage in here too. Over this way, you got your wardrobe. So 2 accesses to it, and then you do have motion sense lighting on both sides. And over here, more storage, laundry hamper, and then also king size bed in this unit with USBs on both sides, and there is outlets on both sides of the bed as well. And those are inverted outlets too. Thermistor, so you can know the temperature around your camper. And then you got little push buttons for your lights in your bedroom, and then for your slide, retract, and retract. This is if you do the 4th camera over your door there. You can turn it on and off. And then there is also AC ducts all throughout here in the bedroom. Farmhouse interior sits all the nice bright whites in the cabinets, makes the space feel a lot more open. Give you one last pan back through here. If you guys have made it this far, please like and subscribe in the video. It really helps me out a lot. And helps me bring you more 2026 videos on these campers. All right, let's take a pop back outside. Let's look at some of the specs on it. So this overall, you're sitting at 40 feet 4 inches tip to tip, and then dry weight of 14,780 pounds. So it is a good size 5th wheel, but not the biggest out there. Panning towards the back, 2 big power awnings on it. And then all those nice frameless tinted windows all squared off. Another cool thing that I've seen is this new handle that they're doing on the doors. So it's a lot easier to grab instead of having to reach all the way up to this one little pinch latch. You got that big latch on the door. JBL speakers out here. And you do have your spray port for water. This is a drop frame unit, so you get a big pass-through storage and access to your outside vacuum right here too. And then your JBL Bluetooth sound system. More outlets right here too, as well as outlets right here. And then cable output if you did want to do an outside TV out here. I'll give you a pan towards the back of it. You've got those Mo-Ride steps on it with the gravity assist. Dual axle unit. Over towards the back, you can do your J-port system for your outside griddle. And then cable output for another outside TV. Giving a look at the back of it. Does come equipped with the roof ladder. And then the tow hitch receiver. Panning towards the side, power cord right there. Sewer offshoot right there. 6-point auto leveling. And then you do have your other sewer offshoot right there too. 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater and your furnace too. That's going to be for your Water connections right behind that door. Then you do have the two 40-pound bottles over here. Dexter tow assist on it, so that's the anti-lock braking and sway mitigation. Panning back towards the front of it. Like I said, you got that bow rod rubberized pin box on it. So that's going to help eliminate chucking when you're towing this down the road. And then two 200-watt solar panels right up on the roof of it. So let's get one last look through the inside. Coming back in, just a beautiful coach overall. It's going to be perfect for those going seasonal, or even if you are traveling around full-time living. It's not the most massive coach out on the market right now, but it is luxury, and it is built with the Jayco quality with their 2-year warranty. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be back with more 2026s as they start rolling in from the factory. Once again, Alex, stop on Yellow RVing. Check out my email in the description if you have any questions. Thank you.